you can see here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application, and here I'm going to show you how to use this application here. So this application does pretty much help you create 3D images or 3D characters or 3D items, or well, let's say games. So here you have a lot of templates which you can use to start creating something you have in mind. Here you have a lot of them which you can choose. Let's say you want to start creating something like this here, you can just tap on this option and it will take a while to load. Once it's finished loaded, you can see here, this is pretty much the results. You can move it around, look at it, and as well select different option of viewing and play in frame. As well, you can go ahead and download it. And you do have a lot of different formats in which you can download this image here, as you can see, and it's gonna pretty much cost you around 10 credits to get the format downloaded. So that's pretty much it. And as well, it do give you information as it relates to this 3D model. So that's pretty much it for that there. And if I do go back, you can see here about a lot of different options which you can choose from. And as well, if you do want to create something separately, you can tap on the create option here. So all you have to do is upload your image, or if you don't have anything in mind, you can tap on the dice icon here, and it will just give you an image of what you may want to create, as you can see here. As well, you do have this option here, which allows you to adjust the settings and features which give you a better results. So they do use two models. You have the version 3.0 and you have the version 2.5. So either one, as you can see here, they do have their pros and cons. So do select whichever one you want. So if you want to create the image faster, you may want to use this one. If you want a better image, you may want to use the latest one. So do keep in mind you have other features which can enable, but some of these features you can see down here will require you a subscription. So that's pretty much it for that there. Here, as you can see, is pretty much the image that was randomly selected. And I can as well upload my own image. You can just tap on the X icon here and pretty much go ahead and upload an image from my gallery. Tap on the photo option here, or if I want to take an image. But can tap on the dice option here to generate something different. Let's say I don't have anything in mind that I want to create, then just tap on that option here. And do keep in mind, it will tell you how much credits needed for you to generate this image. So here you do have the edit option. Let's say you want to change something specific to this image here, you can tap on the edit image option, and as well you can select the model that you want to use as it relates to editing of this image here. So as you can see here, well, very popular AI models which you can use. As you can see here, they do have their pros and cons. So do make sure to look at the pros and cons of each image model. So that's pretty much it for that there. And they do cost an extra to pretty much generate an image separately from you creating it to 3D and so on. So you keep that in mind. So that's really pretty much it for you creating your models. And once you've created your models or you have edited anything from the template section, you can go in the model section and it will pretty much show everything that they have created in this section, whether it be models, whether it be images. It will pretty much be shown, and as well the ones that you have added to your favorite list, which pretty much mean you've added a start to. So the subscription, and as well you can go ahead and edit what you have already created by tap on an edit option. Go ahead and upload your whatever cases that they have created, and you're good to go. But anyways, as it relates to the subscription for this application here, you can go at the top here, and at the top it does tell you how much, I would say, Lightning coins you have as it relates to you using the application. So you're going to need these Lightning coins to pretty much use the application. So you can tap on the upgrade option, pretty much go in your subscription page. As you can see here, currently I have 150 credits, which I've gotten for completely free. As you can see here, the next credit reimbursement is in 12 days, so maybe I don't get 150 credits for free every, say 12 days. Let's say 12 days. So every 12 days you get 150 credits for free, but this is pretty much the free month plan. Here they have a pro plan and pretty much see what you're getting, how much credits you'll be getting, and pretty much all the features related to that. Also, you have the advanced plan here. You can see pretty much how much credits you're getting and everything else relates to that as well. And the ultimate plan. So all of these are pretty much monthly subscription, but does come with their different perks as you can see here. So that's pretty much it for that. So if I'm missing anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I will see you guys in the next one.